Good afternoon. This video is from Success Convent, Melacheval, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a lesson for grade 2. Subject English. Lesson number 2. Page number 11. Name of the lesson is Magic Blackboard. Name of the lesson is Magic Blackboard. Continuation of the lesson. You can take the page number 11. The boy, very happy, okay, very happy. The boy also draws his parents, brothers and sisters enjoying a picnic with their sandwiches and chips. Okay, the boy, T-H-E, the boy, B-O-Y, boy, also, A-L-S-O, also, draws, D-R-A-W-S, draws, his, H-I-S, his parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, brothers, B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers, and A-N-D, and sisters, S-I-S-T-E-R-S, sisters, enjoying, E-N-J-O-Y-I-N-G, enjoying a picnic, P-I-C-N-I-C, picnic, comma, with, W-I-T-H, with, their, T-H-E-I-R, their, sandwiches, S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H-E-S, sandwiches, and A-N-D, and chips, C-H-I-P-S, chips. So, what does the boy done? The boy also draws his parents, brothers and sisters enjoying a picnic with their what they are eating, snacks, sandwiches and chips. Okay. He also, he also, A-L-S-O, also draws, D-R-A-W-S, draws paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper plates, P-L-A-T-E-S, plates, and A-N-D, and empty, E-M-P-T-Y, empty tins, T-I-N-S, tins of, O-F, of, soft, S-O-F-T, soft, drinks, D-R-I-N-K-S, drinks, left, L-E-F-T, left, on, O-N, on, A, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. And then he also draws a paper plate, okay, paper plate, and empty tins of soft drinks. So, Coca-Cola, juices is there, no? The juices, empty tins, okay, left on a ground. He also draws a paper plate and empty tins of soft drinks. He drawed, okay, that left on the ground. He does this, E-H-E, he does, D-O-A-S, does, this, T-H-I-S, this, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, this, T-H-I-S, this, is, I-S, is, watch, W-H-A-T, what, always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, happens, H-A-P-P-E-N-S, happens, on, O-N, on, their, T-H-E-I-R, their, picnics, P-I-C-N-I-C-S, picnics. He does this because, why he is doing all this? He is doing because this is what always happen on their picnics. If you go for the picnic, you can see there on the ground, it empty bottles, empty cool drinks, that are tin, empty paper plates, everything it has been thrown on the ground. Okay, this is what happened on the picnic. But but when when these these bits bits of litter litter means rubbish, wastage. Okay, I have given the meaning here. Come, come, to life, life, comma, something, 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 awful, awful means very bad. Okay, very bad. I have written here. Happens, 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 around, around, every, every, paper, paper, plate, plate, and, and, every, every, empty, empty, tin, tin, comma, the, forest, forest, turns, turns, grey, grey, comma, and, and, this, this, greyness, greyness, starts, starts, spreading, spreading, over, every, everywhere, everywhere, to, the, grass, grass, comma, to, the, flowers, flowers, comma, to, the, animals, animals. But when these bits of litter means rubbish, come to life, something awful means very bad, awful happen around every paper plate, isn't it? So every paper plate, it's burning, this burning means it is very bad, every paper plate, and every empty tin means the juices tins are there. So every empty tin, the forest turn grey, and this greyness starts spreading everywhere. Okay, it spread everywhere to the grass, isn't it? It spread everywhere to the grass, to the flowers, and to the animals also. Okay. The boy, the boy, boy, realizes, realizes that, that, it, is, because, because, of, the, the, litter, litter, that, that, the, forest, forest, has, become, become, grey, grey, okay. The boy realizes that it is because of the litter that the forest has become grey. Because of this, litter means, what is the meaning I have written here? Rubbish. Because of the rubbish, the forest become grey, isn't it? Okay. So, he, S-O, so, comma, he, H-E, he, runs, R-U-N-S, runs, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through the forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest, with, W-I-T-H, with, the, T-H-E, the, blackboard, B-L-A-C-K, blackboard, B-O-A-R-D, blackboard, eraser, E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser, hin, I-N, in, his, H-I-S, is, hand, H-A-N-D, hand, to, T-O-2, erase, E-R-A-S-E, erase, hit, I-T, hit. So, what he done? He runs through the forest. He run na odi pona forest kaatukulla odi poitu. He runs through the forest with the blackboard, eraser in his hand. In his hand to erase it. Erase it na ama rubbing. Okay, erase it. He, H-E, he, is, I-S, is, quick, Q-U-I-C-K, he is quick, comma, and, A-N-D, and, does, D-O-E-S, does, not, N-O-T, not, leave, L-E-A-V-E, leave, a, single, S-I-N-G-L-E, single, piece, P-I-E-C-E, piece, of, O-F, of, litter, L-I-T-T-E-R, litter, okay. He is quick and does not leave a single piece of litter. Litter means wastage, rubbish. He never leave a single piece of waste on the ground. The forest, T-H-E, the forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest, becomes, B-E-C-O-M-E-S, becomes, green, G-R-E-E-N, green, again, A-G-A-I-N, again, the forest becomes green, again, the forest becomes green. The animals, T-H-E, the animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, also, A-L-S-O, also, look, L-O-O-K, look, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. The animals also look happy, okay. The boy, T-H-E, the boy, B-O-Y, boy, and, A-N-D, and, the, T-H-E, the animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, play, P-L-Y, play, together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together, for, F-O or for, the, T-H-E, the, rest, R-E-S-T, rest of the days, O-F of, T-H-E, the days, D-A-Y, day. The animals also look happy. The boy and the animals play together. The boy and the animals are playing together for the rest of the days. The boy, T-H-E, the boy, B-O-Y, boy, never, N-E-V-E-R, never, sees, S-E-E-S, sees, that, T-H-A-T, that, blackboard, B-L-A-C-K-B-O-A-R-D, blackboard, again, A-G-A-I-N, again. The boy never sees that blackboard again. The boy never sees that blackboard again. Thirumma on the blackboard paaka maatan. But, B-U-T, but, now, N-O-W, now, but now means ipo. But now, every time, E-V-E-R-Y, every time, T-I-M-E, time, he goes, H-E, he goes, G-O-E-S, goes, for, F-O or for, a picnic, P-I-C-N-I-C, picnic with his family, W-I-T-H, with his, H-I-S-S, family, 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 comma, he remembers, remembers, remembers what, what happened, happened there, there, and, and, is the, the, first, first, to, pick, pick up, up, any, any, litter, litter, litter means wastage. You should pick the, first you have to pick the wastage, pick it up the wastage. He is also, he is, also, also, sure, sure, to, remind, remind, others, others, remind others means அவன் வந்து வேற மற்றவங்களுக்கும் அதை எடுத்து சொல்லணும். others, that, that, anything, anything, they, they, live, live, lying, lying, in, the, the, forest, 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 is, is, very, or very bad, bad, for, for, the, the, forest, 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 and, and, the animals, the animals, animals, animals. So, in the lesson, what we learned from the lesson, we should not throw the wastage on the ground. It is very bad for the plant, for this one, animals also, isn't it? Okay? I'll read now. Very happy. The boy also draws his parents, brothers and sisters enjoying a picnic with their sandwiches and chips. With their sandwiches and chips. He also draws paper plates and empty tins of soft drinks left on a ground, left it over the ground. He does this because this is what always happen on their picnics. This is what always happen in their picnics. But when these bits of litter means rubbish, come to life, something awful means very bad, happens around every paper plate and every empty tin. The forest turns grey. The forest turns grey. And this greyness starts spreading everywhere, to the grass, to the flowers, to the animals. It spreads everywhere. So, upon this grass, flowers and to the animals also, it is spreading over there. The boy realizes that it is because of the litter and that the forest has become grey. So, he runs through the forest with a blackboard eraser in his hand to erase it. He is quick and does not leave a single piece of litter. The forest becomes green again. The animals also look happy. The boy and the animals play together for the rest of the days. The boy never sees that blackboard again. But now every time he goes for a picnic with his family, he remembers what happened there and is the first to pick up any litter. He is also sure to remind others that anything they leave lying in the forest is very bad for the forest and the animals. Okay. So if you go for a picnic, you should not throw the waste on the picnic spot. Okay, you should throw it in the dustbin. Okay, thank you. Today's homework, this page number 11, you have to read 2 times and write neatly 1 time. Don't forget to write the date on your homework note. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.